Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this KEDSUM folding mini luggage cart. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So let's get this open. So here we have the cart. So we have a manual here. Let's take a quick look. Now I may not cover everything in here. You want to read it on your own. So it's small enough to fit in a backpack. It unfolds for using. So it comes with a cart, storage bag. It weighs 3.3 pounds. It's made of aluminum. So starting with it flat, you pull out the wheels, open the side expansion brackets, pull up the folding handle, open the front extension bracket, raise the handle, secure the cargo straps, and then you can pull your load. For folding, you loosen the elastic, you secure the bungee cords, retract the front extension, fold the storage handle, fold in the side brackets, fold in the wheels, and then place it in the bag. So according to the Amazon description, the max weight on this is 120 pounds. Here we have the storage bag, and here we have the cart. So let's pull these wheels out. So these are a rubberized kind of wheel. There's one on each side. And we have the side brackets. Pull the handle up. We have the front bracket. We'll pull the front bracket out. Then we can extend the handle. So it's kind of like a suitcase handle. We can press this in. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 levels to this. So it comes with these bungees. Looks like they're wrapped around the bottom here. So I'll pull those out. And those will go around the bottom to secure the load. So let me get some measurements on this. Now I'm just going to do rough measurements here. This is a little over 13 inches. This is about 13 3/4. This is around 12 inches. The ground to the top of the handle is just over 37.5 inches. So let me find a load to put on this. Here I have a portable power station. This weighs a little over 30 pounds. So I want to make sure I center that on there. I can pull the bungees over and I'll latch them on the bottom. Okay, that's secured on there now. So I can't really roll this around on here, so I'll find a flat open area I can roll this around on so I can demonstrate this. Okay, so I'm in a more open area. I'll deploy the cart and put the battery on it, and then I'll roll it around. Okay, I have it on the cart. So to tip it back, I'll brace it with my foot before I tip it. So that rolled very nicely. The wheels have a nice wide stance on it, so it wasn't tippy from side to side. Now this 30 pounds may not seem like a lot of weight to some people, and I can easily lift this, but if I have to carry it a long distance, it's vastly easier to use a cart. The nice thing about this cart is it just doesn't take up much room when you're not using it. You can fold it up. Oftentimes when I travel, I just don't have a lot of room, but this cart will easily fit in somewhere in my luggage. Now the way this is right now, I could even use this on the cart. I could just put the handle down, and I wouldn't even have to take this off the cart to use it. The bungees are kind of in the way, just move them to the side a little bit, and it's ready to go. Here I have a duffel bag on the cart. Now I just have one, but I could even probably stack some more on top of it. So even though the duffel bag is overhanging both sides quite a bit, it's very easy to manage and pull around because it has those wheels that flip out, which gives it a wide base. Okay, now that I'm finished using this, I'll press the button on the top to let the handle down. So that's this right here. Press in the front. I'll pull the bungees under the bottom. And I'll hook them under the back side. I'll fold the handle down, fold the wings in, and fold the wheels in. Now we should be able to fit it in the bag. So now we can stow this in the back of our vehicle or in a closet, and it's ready to go for next time. So that's the KEDSUM Foldable Mini Luggage Cart. I really like the size of this compact cart. It folds up into the size of about maybe like a laptop bag. It's compact enough that you could potentially put this in the backseat of your car or your trunk, and it's not going to take up a lot of room, so you can always have it there when you need it. A cart like this would be great for travel. It could be good for craft shows and trade shows when you have extra gear to carry with you. So maybe have a plastic bin with supplies that you're selling or decorations for a booth of some sort. Those can be difficult to carry. With a cart like this, you can load them up on this cart, then you can just pull them to your destination. This also allows you to put wheels on any luggage you have that doesn't have wheels. You can put this inside of the luggage, take it out, and then place it on here and pull it around. So at 3.3 pounds, it doesn't weigh a lot, but can carry some pretty good sized boxes. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.